You remember that one of the basic data types that like we discussed before, it is the strings. But like we have not seen an example where like we have used the strings before. So in this video we are going to use the data type string and see how we can use it in C language. So unlike other languages where like you can easily create a variable for string like this, usual other languages they have something like, they have something like this where like you can just say string and then you just put a variable, or you put a variable name and then you put the value like this. So many languages they use this method, but but as for as for C language, what like we need to do when like we want to use the string variable, what like we do is that we use the character, the data type, and give a name, and let's just give a name, let's say greet, and then we are going to say this is equal to hello, how are you, all right, great. So now let's just end this line, and then what like now like we need to do is that let's just try to print this and see what like we're going to get. Say print, and then we need to say we need to have this formatter identifier, and then for string it is s, and then we say comma, and then we just say greet, and then let us close this. If we save all of this and then we come to build, abort, and then build and run, there we go. So it doesn't, it does not show this one here. So let us see what could be the problem. All right, so here let us do this, and then let us save everything, abort, and build and run, there we go. So now we have hello, how are you. So now like if like you can look at this, is that in order for us to be able to print a string, what like we first need to do is that we need to create an array which like has a data type for like a character. So you have seen here how like we have created an like array here for the integers. What like we did for an array is that we just say specify the data type and then the name of an array, and then we put these square brackets here, and then we say equal the scale brackets, and then we just put everything like this. But for this one, for the character, what like we did is just we just say char, which is for the data type, and then we say greet, and then we say hello, how are you. So it is still an array, and if like you like, you can say you can make an array using this format, and let's name this one greet again, again, and then we do this, and then we say equal to, and then now what like we do is that we're going to say, we'll just put the character, just say here H here hello, we put L here, and then we do this, and then we put another L here, and then we put O at the end. Great. So now we close here by this, and then now what like we are going to do is that let us just put greet again here and see what like we are going to see. Greet again. So we have this greet again here, and then we say save, and then we come on the build, we abort, and then we build and run. We are expecting to get a string which says hello. Oh, okay, we have this child here. So okay, we got this hello here, and then after this hello, we then have this one here. So I don't know why this one appears. So we have this greet again. Okay, let's just comment out this one, and then we say save everything, and then we come here, we say abort, and then we say build and run. So there we go. So now we have this hello here. You can see that the greet again here, it was just an array of characters, and then we then put it here. So but look here, if like we change this format identifier to character, and let us see what like we are going to get. We say abort, and then we say build and run. There we go. So here we don't get anything actually. We don't get anything. So here in like the S give us the ability to change this character array to a string. So another thing, you can also change the values using the method we have used here. So you can say, okay, this one it is at position 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So let us do this, and then we're gonna say this, and then what like we do, we're going to change the first letter. To change the first letter, it is on index 0. We're going to say 0 is equal to this character Y. So we're going to have this to be yellow, and then when we say come here and say build and run, we're expecting to get yellow. There we go. So we have yellow like this. Let me see if there's anything to discuss about string. Okay, all right. Another thing we can discuss about string is that, all right, now we have learned how to display a string, but let us see how we can get the size of a string. So to get that, like we are going to first change the identifier here, the format identifier, to LU. LU, it stands for a long undefined integer, and then we have this here. What like we are going to do, we're going to use a function. Right, all right, we can use the function here. Okay, all right, size, size of, and then we put this grid again. So okay, we're going to cut this and we put it here, and then we say save, and then we build and run. Now we're expecting to get the size of our string. So all right, let us just put it in a new line so that you can see it very clear. But the size here is 5. The size here is 5. Just do this for the sake of clearness. There we go. So we have 5 here. So great. So let us count hello yellow. It is 1 2 3 4 5. Oh great. So that's it for that's it for this video. We have learned how to use string in C language.